Imagine a world where dreams meet reality, where digital meets physical.
Humans need connection. We spend huge amounts of our day interacting with others around us.
But often, when we look around us, we find the current technology is individual-focused. We miss out on real-life moments.
Here at H+, we want to change that.
Holus is a tabletop holographic display that enhances your life and invites connection. It is a central place to sync any type of device and to display its content from all sides. You can play games with family, connect across generations, work together cooperatively, or compete head-to-head. Make education an engaging experience. For something so natural as sharing and displaying, we wanted to make something with as many viewing angles as possible. To get to where we are today, we iterated hundreds of times. We've settled on a design that's beautiful, strong, and safe. It has an eco-friendly monitor, and its tempered glass has a coating that is specially designed to reflect a specific amount of light for optimal display quality. USB and HDMI ports allow devices to connect and display on the Holus.
From gesture-based controls like leap motion to brain sensors and a 3D printer, we have tested them all with the Holus and are adding more connection options to make the Holus more natural and intuitive to interact with. Making the Holus combine with lots of different software and hardware makes it even more complex. That's why we have assembled the best team possible to do just that, and are encouraging more great programmers to develop content for the Holus once it is released. We have Unreal and Unity SDKs available and are adding more middleware support in the future. Connection is important to everyone. We've gone as far as we can go without more support and need your help to take us to the next level. We are so excited to bring the Holus to life and get it into your hands.
I want to play baseball in outer space!
I want to see fireworks from Mars. But can we come back?
Of course!
Hollow World.